Diff's all pretty well done now, other than shortening. We've done all of this in-house using a lot of the parts that McDonough Brothers Racing supplies. So we've used their lower arm brackets, coilover brackets. They also supplied us the Viking rear coilovers, the double adjustable jobbies. We've just nipped into the rear rail here just to give everything lots of clearance, so we've got better angles and the likes. We've chopped down a Petters panhard rod to suit, done our own brackets, braced all that up so it's all nice and strong. Plated everything with 3mm, so there's plenty of guts. We've got adjustable upper control arms sitting here to go in and final assembly. The diff's about to go out for shortening in the next day or two, so once we get that back we can then just do the axles and paint everything up and put it all in. So next on the hit list is paint the vehicle underneath, and then we can start slinging in engine, transmission, converter, sorting out tail shaft lengths, and get the thing on the ground, and then start wiring and interior bits and pieces. Fuel tank wise, you've probably seen we've decided on running a standard 60 litre tank. It was a EFI VK tank. As you can see, we've done a cut out there for the rear wheel to give us the clearance we need. Has a return in it. We'll just use a in-tank pump with a lift pump externally, and a return from the engine back to the tank. It's all basic stuff. We've utilised the original fuel furler, so there's no engineering issues or any of that sort of stuff. It's all really simple and straightforward now. Make it short to fit the big wheels, and we can get it on the ground and see what it looks like. Really looking forward to how it's going to come up and seeing its final stance. It should be great. All the boots all done, all sealed, all cleaned, all ready to go. You can see we use a lot of tar tape, which is a perfect sealer for all of this sort of stuff, especially over the large joins and seams. Works really well. Alrighty, so we're finally at the pointy end on #Beater Build. We have finished everything with the fab wires now. We've just essentially now about to, we've prepped all underneath, so it's all been cleaned and scraped and all the oil and stuff removed, and we are now essentially ready to raptor it. So one of the new things we've just done is we've just cleared out the back of the trans tunnel to get a bit more tail shaft clearance. So yeah, everything is all done, it's all cleaned, it's all been rubbed down, sealed, whole box of dice. So essentially next thing now is, yeah, first thing in the morning, tape him up, raptor him down, and yeah, next week we can actually start assembling. The diff is at Graham up at Boss Engineering, or Boss Differentials at the moment. He is doing his thing with that, which is excellent. So once that comes back next week, great. So we are now officially ready to start assembly. As soon as we get the diff back, we are go. So we'll see what happens next. As soon as we get the diff back from Boss Differentials, we've got Graham there doing a new set of gears, a spool, 31 spine billet axles. Just, you know, we've probably got overkill a little bit, but at least we know it'll be safe, we know it'll be fun, and if we ever decided to step it up a little bit, we'll be able to. All the interiors gone in it now as well. We've got lots to do, but at the same time, a lot of the hard work is all done now, which is really cool. Anyway, stay tuned for further updates, subscribe to the channel, like, follow, link, do whatever you like. Speak to you soon. Ciao.